In this lesson, we are going to explore one of the most important concepts in SQL, the join. Joins let you bring together rows from two or more tables based on a related column, and this is what makes relational databases powerful, because it means you can combine information that is spread across different tables. The basic idea is that you tell SQL which two tables you want to connect, and which column the connection should be made on. For example, you might have an orders table and a customers table. Orders include a customer ID, and customers include that same ID. By joining the two tables on the customer ID, you can see order details alongside customer details. There are many use cases for joins. You can match related records across tables using a shared key. You can enrich a dataset by pulling in columns from another table, and you can build richer analysis by linking multiple sources together. The key is always to be clear about which tables you are joining, and to make sure the join condition makes sense for your business logic. Now let's talk about the different types of joins. The first one is the inner join. An inner join returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables. Think of it like a Venn diagram, where you only see the overlapping area. This is the most commonly used join, because it ensures that you are only looking at records that exist in both places. The second type is the left join. A left join returns all the rows from the left table and then matches from the right table. When possible, if there is no match, you will see null values on the right side. This is useful when you want to make sure you keep everything from your main table but still add extra information when available. The opposite of that is the right join. A right join keeps everything from the right table and adds matches from the left. When possible, this is less commonly used, but it can be helpful in situations where the right table is your main source and you want to preserve all of its rows. Finally, we have the full outer join. This one returns all rows from both tables. Where there is a match, the rows line up. Where there is no match, you still get the row, but with null values filling in the gaps. This is the most inclusive type of join, and it is useful when you want to see both the matches and the non-matches across two tables. If you are a visual learner, the diagrams on this slide show exactly how each join works. And if you are a mean learner, you might notice that each join type has its own face. Personally, the inner join one sticks with me the most. It looks serious, like it is only here for exact matches and nothing extra. Meanwhile, the full outer join looks like it is just trying to include everyone, even if they don't quite belong. The important takeaway is that joins are not one size fits all. You choose the type of join depending on what question you are trying to answer and which table you want to preserve in the results, and once you understand the difference between inner, left, right, and full outer joins, you will have the tools to combine data in flexible and meaningful ways.